Welcome back to the channel, Pool Gurus, teaching you how to replace a sand filter. Cut the pipes off the old one, make a big circle with your Sawzall, expose it so we can dig out the sand, bag it up, pull out the lateral assembly of the old one, move it out of the way, read the labels on the new filter, tighten up each of the laterals by hand, very important. Fill the new filter up with water above the height of the laterals. First bag of sand gets poured in slowly. The remainder of the bags can go quick. We're adding Teflon tape to our male adapters, which are going to get attached to the dial head. Make sure you pay attention to the markings on the dial head as you're putting it in place. Use the collar and the hardware provided to securely attach the dial head to the filter tank. Do some measuring and plumbing, and we're done.